Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the tangent line. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to find first the derivative of y, and we have e to the power of s. And now we can apply the formula in here. So we have s equals to ln number 15. So I will put this one gone here. And we have e to the power of ln number 15. And I will put this one gone here. This one that is about, we put this value gone here. Now we have the formula in here. So for this one that is about number 15. This one we have number 15, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.